And can I do, is it moving? It should be lecture objectives now. Can you see that?
Yes, we see it.
Okay, great. Thank you, David, for inviting me. I'm going to talk to you about something that I've been doing a lot of work on over the years called post-endoscopy epigastric cancer. And I'll just explain about what post-epigastric endoscopy cancer is, what factors contribute towards it, at least in our experience in England, but it'll probably be fairly similar in Belgium and other countries. And then to appreciate how we optimize endoscopy to reduce the risk of missing cancer during our endoscopies. So PEUGIC, post-endoscopy epigastric cancer, what that means is usually esophageal or gastric cancer, sometimes duodenal cancer, but that's quite rare, as you all know. And it's diagnosed 3 months to within 3 years of an endoscopy that did not